installing power steering hose in a 1990 Saab 900. This particular model is a SPG. The power steering pump hose had a hole, and so it's been leaking power steering fluid. So first what I did is I disconnected where you see the light down there. I disconnected the power steering hose from there, and the line goes through the back of the engine mount, and it crosses, it goes right here and then follows the trail through here, and it continues here, and then goes under this vent and comes through this hole right in here and connects to the power steering bottle container. So from there, what I did is, once I disconnected it, I first installed it at the power steering pump down under by the engine mount, ran it through and put it right here in the power steering bottle. Or the easiest way is to run the power steering hose from, remove the power steering bottle, run it from here and all the way down there at the power steering pump, down right there where the light is flashing, and then after it's tightened down there, come up here and install it and then connect it to the power steering bottle. I hope this helps anyone with this particular leak. I do recommend getting the correct hose, the power steering hose, from some source online, only because I went to the local parts store and got a regular hose, and this was the outcome. It didn't even last that long, and I strongly encourage that you do run it behind the engine mount, only because the exhaust is right there, and I think the heat may have affected this hose and caused this big hole here. Wish you the best. Good luck in installing your power steering hose on a 1990 Saab 900, and the model is an SPG.